Greetings, Mark Bone here. We're going to select a portion of this word we have right here. So this paragraph now, when we select it, now we're going to put it on a landscape, right? So first you want to run the block it like that. Now when you block it like that, you're going to come right up here, click on layout. Some of you might see page layout, you click on layout. Now you see the word margin, you click right here, look a pointer. You go all the way down here and you're going to click on custom margin. Then you come here, you click on landscape up here and then you come right down here, notice the whole document. You click on it, look at that down box. And then you click right here, that says selected text. When you click on that, you're going to come right over here, which is see cancel and OK. You want to click on OK. Now when you click on OK, you notice one portion of the text right here and the portrait document. If you notice, the text that is selected right now is on the landscape document right here. So very important here. That's exactly how it actually works. So remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.